Hello students, today we will start your exercise 3.2. You see the question number 1. A. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Which of the following points lie on the y-axis? To see the points, option A given 0, 5, B given 5, 0, C given 5, 5, D given minus 5, 0. So first option is A. The point should be lie on y-axis. Okay. So x value 0, y is 5. When we draw a Cartesian plane at that time, x0 is 0. For example, this one x axis, this one y axis. Y is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example, there. So y value 5. This point now 0, 5 is on y axis. So your correct option is A. Okay. Let's see the number 2. The point minus 7, 0 lies on x is minus 7. My negative point lies on left side, isn't it? Left side from y axis. Minus 7 and y is 0. So minus 7, for example, here minus 7. Y is 0, so point will be on which axis? This point minus 7, 0 is on which axis? X axis. So it is on x axis, but it is negative x axis. So your correct option will be B. Okay, this one negative x axis, that one positive x axis, which already we have discussed in the earlier video about positive and negative x axis, positive and negative y axis. Isn't it? Number 3, you see, if the x coordinate of a point is 0, x coordinate of a point 0, then it always lies on. If x coordinate of a point is 0, then it always lies on y axis. X 0. If y value 1, then it will be there. If y value, for example, minus 5, then it will be there. So the point always lies on y axis. Okay. The correct option is D. Let's see number 4. The perpendicular bisector of a line segment AB passes through the origin. The perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. You draw a line segment AB, for example. Perpendicular bisectors go through the origin. For example, it is O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The values are negative in the left side. The values are positive in the right side. So perpendicular bisector passes through the origin. Origin is O. This is the perpendicular bisector. If the coordinates of A 4, 0, coordinates of A given 4, 0, then the coordinates of B are, this is perpendicular. When a perpendicular bisector is drawn, this passes, then it divides the line segment AB into two equal parts. Okay, this here, there x is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there also it will be 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. So B will be, okay, coordinates of B will be minus 4, 0. So correct option is minus 4, 0. Your correct option is A. Let's see the number 5. If P minus 1, 1, Q coordinates 3 minus 4, R coordinates given 1 minus 1, S given minus 2 minus 3, and T minus 4, 4 are plot on the graph paper, then the points in the fourth quadrant are option given P and Q, Q and R, R and S, and last option given Q and T. Which of the following is correct? You see, the point when you plot in your graph paper at that time, it should be on the in the fourth quadrant. So first quadrant, in first quadrant both the coordinates are positive. In second quadrant x coordinate negative, y positive. In the third quadrant we have both the coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, x positive, y coordinate negative. So in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. So now you see this one x coordinate negative, that means this point is not in the fourth quadrant. X is negative, x is positive, y is negative. X coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. This one will be in the fourth quadrant. X 3, y minus 4. So point will be in the fourth quadrant. So now you see the next point. This one positive, negative. X is 1, y is minus 1. So this Q and R, both coordinates will be lie in the fourth quadrant. Okay. Let's see the question number B1. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the point -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So you have to plot this point. Okay, the given points you have to plot. So first point given -2, 4, -2, x is -2, -1, this is x axis, so -1, -2, and y is 4. In y axis 4, this one -2 and 4. This is your point. So -2, 4. Then next 3 -1. X is 3, 1, 2, 3. Y is -1, -1 here. So 3 -1. Then -1, 0. X is -1, y is 0. So point on the x axis. Next 1, 2. X is 1, y is 2. 1, 2. This one is -1, 0. This one 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Next -3, -5. -1, -2, -3 and -5. -5 here. Y is -5. -3, -5. Lie. Now you see the first point -2, 4. -2, 4. This one lie in the which quadrant? This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this one third quadrant, this one fourth quadrant, isn't it? So this -2, 4, -2, 4 lie in the second quadrant. Second quadrant. Next, -3, -1. 3 -1. You see, 3 -1. It is in the which quadrant? 3 -1 lie in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Next point -1, 0. -1, 0. This one. It is in the x axis. So x axis, this one positive x axis, this one is negative x axis. So this one -1, 0 lie in the negative x axis. You have to mention this point is in the positive x axis or negative x axis. Okay. Next 1, 2. 1, 2. This one is the point. It is in the first quadrant. 1, 2. The coordinate lie in the first quadrant. Next -3, -5. You see -3, -5. This point is in the third quadrant. minus 3, minus 5 lie in the third quadrant. So verify your answer by locating on them. We already look at this point in the Cartesian plane and already it's verified. Okay, minus 2, 4 lie in the second quadrant, 3, minus 1 lie in the fourth quadrant, minus 1, 0 lie in the negative x-axis, 1, 2 lie in the first quadrant, and minus 3, minus 5 lie in the third quadrant. Okay, let's see the next question number 3. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD whose vertices are A 3, 2, B 2, 3, C minus 4, 5, and D 5, minus 4. So these coordinates you plot in a Cartesian plane. First 3, 2, x is 3, 1, 2, 3, and y is 2, 1, 2. So point will be here, 3, 2. You write here 3, 2. Then B, this one is A. Okay, B 2, 3, x is 2, 1, 2, y is 3, 1, 2, 3. So point will be here, this one 2, 3. This is B point. Next C, minus 4, 5, x is minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, y is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. The point is minus 4, 5. This is C. Next D, 5 minus 4, x is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y is minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So in that line up to 5. So this is D. How much? 5 minus 4. Now you join the points A, B, then BC, AD, then CD. Join the points. So your required quadrilateral A, B, C, D. This is your required quadrilateral. Okay. In this way, you have to draw the quadrilateral in a Cartesian plane. So in this video, we will do this much only. So we will meet you in the next video. Okay. Thank you.